Learn how to attract, convert and retain customers 24/7 using automated sales funnels. Do you want to bring in customers 24/7? This brand new Funnel Marketing Mastery course will teach you exactly how to do just that for your own internet business. No experience required. Whether you have experience in digital marketing or have an internet business already or not, this in-depth training course will show you exactly how to attract, convert and retain customers 24/7 using automated sales funnels. Implementing a sales funnel to your internet business will allow you to reach out to new prospects globally and turn them from engaging leads into paying customers that want to provide you with repeated business using a system that will do the work for you. Whatever you plan to sell online, physical or information, products, public speaking events, consultations or services, this information-packed course will provide you with the actionable steps you can implement to successfully take your internet business to the next level. During the course, you will learn everything you need to know in order to set up and run your own marketing sales funnel and generate a constant flow of traffic and customers. To enroll, click the link below.